Hello everyone and welcome to Unlock 1.0. If you are an industry or a business owner, I am going to share a secret strategy on how you can reduce your cost for your operations. I am Jyoti Prakash.
And I am Major Priyanka, and we are the co founders of Visol Renewable Energy Solutions. Friends, most of the industries and businesses are paying commercial tariffs, and the energy cost is a major part of the operational costs, ultimately affecting our bottom lines.
Well, we can help you minimize this cost.
A on-grid solar rooftop or a ground-mounted system can save 30 to 50% of your electricity bills, and all at zero investment from your side.
To know more about the magic of solar, join us on a webinar tomorrow, 13 June at 5 p.m. Click on the link below and register now. Till then,
Happy sunshine!